Jai Hind everyone. In this video, we are covering two more topics that are grasslands, and the next topic we are going to cover in the later part of the video is cyclones. So first we'll start with grasslands. Under that, first of all, what are grasslands? So grasslands are basically the areas where it has insufficient rainfall to support forests, but enough rainfall to support grasses. So these are like open areas where we can see pasture, not pastures, but grasses. So these are the grasslands. And across the world, we have so many grasslands that are and these are divided into tropical grasslands and temperate grasslands. So tropical, where we find them in tropical areas, whereas temperate grasslands that are in colder regions. So first of all, we'll cover the different types of grasslands and the areas where they are spread over. Under the first one is prairies. So this prairies grassland is in USA and Mexico. So prairies grasslands are spread over USA and Mexico. And the next one is pustas. Pustas means this is the grassland that is spread over Hungary. Pustas, Hungary. The next one is Campos. Whatever is the pronunciation, I'm sorry with that. Campos, which is in Brazil. Campos, Brazil. And the next one is Llanos. Llanos is in Venezuela. Llanos, Venezuela. And the next one is Canterbury. You can remember it as Cadbury. Cadbury is made from milk. So where is milk is famous? Where is milk famous? It is famous in New Zealand. So Canterbury in New Zealand. And the next one, Pampas. Pampas is in Argentina. The Pampas grassland in Argentina. Next one, Welts. Welts is in South Africa. Wells is in South Africa. And the next one, Savannah. So this is Savannah grassland. It is spread over many countries in African continent. So that is why Savannah is given as whole in Africa. And the next one, Downs. Downs is also in Australia. So Downs, Australia. And then we have Steppes. So the Steppes also, it is spread over so many countries in Asian continent. So that is why it is given as Asia. Steppes, Asia. And the next one is Manchuria. Manchurian grassland, it is spread over China. So these are the grasslands we are going to cover. And in the later part of the video, now we'll try to locate them on the map. So here I've drawn the world continents briefly. So here we'll try to cover all the grasslands and type of grassland. That means either temperate or tropical. So the first one we covered is prairies. So prairies, where is it spread over? It is spread over USA and Mexico. So the area will be here. So for tropical, for temperate, I'm using orange color, and for another tropical one, I'll use the another color. And the next one we have covered is Pustas. Pustas is in Hungary. So where will be Hungary? Almost here. So this is also a temperate grassland. Prairies. Here we have Pustas. And the next one we covered is Campos. Campos, we studied it in Brazil. So where is Brazil? Here, almost close to the equator. Almost close to the equator. So what will it be? Tropical or temperate? It will be tropical. So Brazil, we have Campos. What is it called? Campos. Why is it tropical? Because it comes under tropical zone. This is Campos. And the next one is Llanos. Llanos is in Venezuela. Here we have Llanos. The next one is Canterbury. Here somewhere we have New Zealand, and here we have Canterbury. This is a temperate grassland. Canterbury. And the next one is Pampas. Pampas is in Argentina. So where is Argentina? Almost here. Here we have Pampas. And the next one is Wales. Wales is in South Africa. So if you see, it comes in the temperate zone. So this Wales is also a temperate grassland. Wales, temperate grassland. And the next one is Savannah. Savannah is a tropical grassland and it is spread over so many countries, like almost from here to here. This is all savannas, African savannas. And the next one we have covered is Downs. So Downs, it is in Australia. Australia itself comes under temperate zone. So Downs will also be it will also be temperate grassland somewhere around here. It is Downs. In the next one is Steppes. So Steppes, it is also a temperate grassland and it is spread over almost from here to here. This is all. This is the Steppes grassland. Steppes. The next one is Manchuria. Manchuria, we have it in China. This is Manchuria. So these are all the temperate and tropical grasslands across the world. Now we'll try to remember the tropical grasslands and the rest will be temperate automatically. The first tropical grassland is Llanos, which is in Venezuela, Campos, which is in Brazil, and Savanna, Africa. And we have some other, something called Australian savanna. Australian savanna. This is also a tropical grassland. Australian savanna is also tropical grassland. Let me just quickly put it on the map. Yeah. Here. This is called Australian savanna. Australian savanna. So these are all the tropical grasslands and the rest of them are temperate grasslands. So with this, we have covered one topic of the video, that is grasslands. Now we'll move to the next part, that is covering the topic of cyclones. Let me just clear it. Yes. Now we'll move to the next topic. That is cyclones. So in this topic, we are going to cover the different names given to cyclones according to the region in the world. So cyclone is named hurricane in some part of the world, whereas it is called Willy Willy in another part of the world. So we are going to cover different names. And also in the last attempt, like IFCAT 2 2025, this question has been asked. So what are the different names given to cyclone according to the regions? So that is why I thought it was important to cover this topic also. Now let's get started. The first one is Caribbean Sea. So in Caribbean Sea, it is called what? It is called hurricane. Caribbean Sea, hurricane. And the next one is China Sea. Next one is China Sea. And in China Sea, the cyclones are called typhoon. In China Sea, the cyclones are called typhoon. Caribbean Sea, hurricane. China Sea, typhoon. And the next one is Indian Ocean. In Indian Ocean, it is called tropical cyclone. In Indian Ocean, it is called tropical cyclone. What was the recent tropical cyclone occurred in Indian Ocean? We had two in the winter season. First one was Monta and the second one was Ditwa. So these were the two cyclones occurred in Indian Ocean. And the next one, Japan. In Japan, it is called Taifu. So it is similar to typhoon. Typhoon is China Sea, whereas Taifu is in Japan. And in Northeast Australia, what is it called? It is called Willy Willies. Willy Willy or Willy Willies. So the cyclone is called Willy Willies in northeastern part of Australia. And the next one is Philippines. In Philippines, it is called bagui. In Philippines, it is called bagui. Philippines, bagui. And in USA, it is called tornado. In USA, it is called tornado. So these are the cyclones: Caribbean Sea, hurricane; China Sea, typhoon; Indian Ocean, tropical cyclone; Japan, typhoon; Northeastern Australia, Willy Willies; Philippines, bagui; and in USA, we call it as tornado. These are the names given to cyclones according to the region. So with this, we have completed two topics in this video. First one is grasslands and the second one is cyclones. So if you think the video is beneficial, please like and share the video. And in the next class, I'll come up with two more topics that are important for FCAT examination and also CDS. Thank you and Jai Hind.